Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 26 October 2020. As per you know, this is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation because current affairs plays an important role in every competitive exam. Okay. And those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. This was our previous two questions. We have to answer it first. Our first question was, who has launched YSR Bima scheme for BPL families? Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Andhra Pradesh. Recently, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy launched YSR Bima scheme for BPL families, below poverty line families. Okay, Andhra Pradesh is news. There is three capital system in Andhra Pradesh. Legislative capital is Amravati. Executive capital is Visakhapatnam, and judicial capital is Kurnool. Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh is Jagan Mohan Reddy, and Vishwabhushan Harichandan. Vishwabhushan Harichandan is the governor of Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Our second question was, who is appointed as brand ambassador of India's beauty brand Vega? Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, MS Dhoni, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is the famous Indian cricketer Rohit Sharma. Recently, Rohit Sharma is appointed as the India's new beauty brand Vega. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, Prime Minister Modi inaugurated world's longest temple ropeway in which state? Gujarat, Bihar, Assam, or option D, West Bengal. The correct answer here is Gujarat. Recently, in Gujarat, Prime Minister Modi inaugurated the world longest temple ropeway. Okay, it is launched in Gujarat. Gujarat is in news. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar is the capital. Vijay Rupani is the Chief Minister of Gujarat, and Acharya Devvrat is the governor of Gujarat. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. What is the rank of India in global internet speed? First, second, 20, or option D, 131. The correct answer here is option D, 131. The rank of India in global internet speed is 131. It is very poor. Okay, and the first position is achieved by South Korea. South Korea is in the top position in global internet speed among 138 countries. It is a report among 138 countries. Our country is in 131 position. Okay, next question. Tanmay Srivastava announced his retirement. He belongs to his field: football, cricket, tennis, option D, basketball. The answer here is cricket. Tanmay Srivastava belongs to cricket game. Okay, in cricket, the Tanmay Srivastava, the top run getter at the 2008 Under-19 World Cup. 2008 Under-19 World Cup that India won under the Virat Kohli captainship, announced his retirement recently. Okay, as per you see the image of here, the Tanmay Srivastava. Next question. Lee Kun Hee passed away. He belongs to which company? Apple, Amazon, Samsung, or option D, LG. The correct answer here is Samsung. Recently, the Lee Kun Hee, who built Samsung into a global giant of smartphone, television, and computer chips, recently died in 25 October. Okay, in Seoul, the capital of South Korea. In Seoul, he passed away. Remember the name Lee Kun Hee. He is joined with Samsung company. Okay. Next question. The police of which city made a film on women empowerment titled Amya? Amya. Lucknow, Patna, Hyderabad, option D, Delhi. The answer here is Hyderabad. Recently, Hyderabad police made a film on women empowerment titled Amya. Okay, Amma. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who is developing one of the India's indigenous vaccine named Covaxin? Cipla Limited, Bharat Biotech, Sun Pharmaceuticals. Option D, none of these. Can you guess the answer here? Can you assume the answer here? The answer here is Bharat Biotech. COVID-19, due to COVID-19 pandemic, recently the vaccine production is going on, and the Bharat Biotech, the company which is developing one of the India's indigenous vaccine candidates called Covaxin. Okay, name is, remember, Covaxin, and it is expected that the suit will be ready by June 2021. June 2021. Next question. Which of the following will build world biggest indoor insect farm? World biggest indoor insect farm. YN insect, Inform, Protix. Option D, none of these. The answer here is YN insect. Recently, the French startup YN insect will build world biggest indoor insect farm. Remember, YN insect is the name. Okay, and it is the world biggest indoor insect farm. Next question. Who has launched another batch of 60 Starlink satellite? JAXA, ESA, SpaceX, or option D, NASA? The correct answer here is SpaceX. Recently, SpaceX has launched another batch of 60 Starlink satellites, the primary ingredients for its forthcoming global broadband internet service. Okay, SpaceX. The chief of SpaceX is Elon Musk. The SpaceX is the company of Elon Musk. Is the founder and CEO of SpaceX. Okay. Next question. Who is appointed as the new chairman of HPSC, Haryana Public Service Commission? Nitin Sharma, Alok Verma, Anil Jain. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Alok Verma. Recently, Alok Verma appointed as the new chairman of the HPSC, Haryana Public Service Commission. You can see the image of Alok Verma here. Question number 10. Who partnered with Atlantis for digital expansion? Visa, RuPay, MasterCard, or option D, none of these. The answer here is MasterCard. Recently, MasterCard, in partnership with the Atlantis, has announced the expansion of the Digital Fast program in India. In Digital Fast program in India, it is the partner with Atlantis partnered with MasterCard. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. As per this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Our first question is, Saad Al-Hariri reappointed as Prime Minister of which country? Our second question is, which country joined IMF, International Monetary Fund, as 190 member recently? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. It is very much helpful for you. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe, and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. If you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Thereby many students got help. Okay. And those who first visit educational link must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Thank you. Have a great day.